life has become so easy. AI has made things so simple that your old dead videos can or images can now come alive. Like, your parents' pictures, your childhood images, in fact, get your image, get your pictures from wherever they are. All you have to do is just watch through this video. Let me show you how you can quickly do this. It's free of charge, yes, and anyone can do it as long as you have this app. So let's go right into it. I love to do this with ChatGPT. You can do this using the app or through web. Okay, here the picture you want to revive, add it up. You see the plus sign here, upload it and then give it this prompt. You can use any prompt. One thing I like about ChatGPT is that once you tell it what is in your mind, it will be able to refine it. Here I just said change this background to a more cinematic and aesthetically pleasing background, and in less than a minute it published my image. Do you understand? When you get your old image, click the plus sign, upload it and tell it to make this image to come alive. It's that simple. But if you have something you want to change about the image, say the way somebody is holding another person, or maybe the way the hand is, you want to change the shoe color or you want to change the dress color, do where to add it up. Just write it the way you want it. ChatGPT will give you exactly the way you want it. I understand you can also do this using Gemini AI, but I love to do it with ChatGPT because it's so simple. Now look at the picture before and look at the picture now. Is that not simple? It's so easy. Whether you're on pro version or you're on the free version, you can see you can be able to do it. You're welcome.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night.
If you find this video useful, please don't forget to follow, like and share. See you in my next one. Bye.